Hey guys, this is a quick review of this APC ES 550. I've been using this for more than 2 years and it works pretty fine. You see here that it comes with the battery backup, 4 of them, plus surge protection. And here just surge protection, 4 of them as well. You can also protect the data. If you take a look here, there's a line data protection just right here. I can connect a modem or a fax and it protects the data, right? There's also a circuit breaker here, just push to reset. And you can replace the battery as well. So I have here some extra battery that I just got from Amazon. You can get the APC ones, the original ones, or you can get those other that are cheaper, right? And to replace, you just need to move the cover here, pull it out, remove the cables, then put the other one back here, connect the cables, and you're good to go. Super simple. When you have problem with the battery, you just need to replace it and you're okay. Here are the specs. See here, input 120 volts, 12 amps, 60 hertz, and 320 watts. Okay, so I've been using this with computers and everything else. Let me just show here something working, right? I just connected here. See, I'm not connecting the cable right now. I have the battery inside, so I can just turn it on, and you see that's working, and it can hold your device is working pretty fine, right?